everyone, it's Linda Medeiros, director with the Pampered Chef. I just threw something off of my counter that I need, but today I am making steak fajitas. So we're having a fajita day, and I'm just slicing up some onions, and I need to get what just fell on the floor. Hold on. I'm back. And so we're making steak fajitas, and I'm doing it in a double burner grill pan really quickly. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing down here. So I've got my simple slicer. So we're going to put this in. We're just going to slice the rest of this onion until it's gone. And I've got it on the number 2 setting. Not too thick, but not thin. Okay? So we're going to put these right in the pan. Okay? So I've got my, I don't know if you can see, my peppers right over here. So we're going to throw those in there and just kind of get that going. And actually, I think I'm going to put it all the way, covering the entire, because I'm going to put my beef in here, but beef isn't there yet. So while I slice up the beef, I'm going to use the entire grill pan. So I'm going to put a little salt on here because, you know, I want my vegetables to be salted too. Okay? So I'm going to put that, a little more. There we go. And maybe a little bit of oil, just to, there we go, just a little. And I'm just going to kind of do this. Oops, a runaway. Okay, so we're going to put that and let that cook while I'm doing the steak. And here we go. I'm back. Okay, so I got some steak from Price Right, and they're thin steaks. And that's why I ended up deciding to do fajitas. So I'm going to actually slice this up, okay, into smaller strips. So it'll be fast to cook. And then I'll season it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to season it up. So I'm going to put that on my board. Let's get rid of this. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Here we go. Can you see that, I hope? So we've got our steaks. And see how thin they are? So that's why I was like, you know what? Instead of doing these as steaks, I'm just going to cut them up and do them as fajitas. And of course, I'm putting this on my little mat here, and I'm going to take my Santoku knife, and we're just going to cut this into strips. So you've got the 3 of the steaks, just like that, and we're just going to put them into strips. Now, I could make these thinner, which might be a little better, actually, if I make them a little bit thinner. And, you know, I would love, you know, at the end of this video, I would love to hear what you are cooking tonight or having tonight. I know a lot of people do takeout and stuff like that. I'm trying to stay away from doing this, the you know, takeout and all of that stuff. But, and, you know, so I figured, you know, just use up what I have in my freezer. I don't know if you guys are doing the same thing. Try not to shop as much as I normally do, because normally, you know, I'd shop once a week, but right now I'm probably doing every 2 weeks to kind of minimize my time out, because, you know, I kind of have that issue from September, so trying to just keep myself safe, like all of you also. So we're just going to kind of move this around just like that. And let me wipe my hands real quick. Just a little quick, okay? So, and you can hear all of the stuff sizzling. So I'm going to put some salt on here. Salt the meat. And then I'm going to use some chili lime. This is my chili lime rub. I love this. And it's going to give it some great flavor. So I'm just going to be liberal with this and throw this on here. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So now I'm going to switch over here. Switch it back here. There you go. We've got onions and peppers going. I love this pan because I can do a whole meal on here. I have a friend who does all of her veggies. She lost a lot of weight, and she does all of her veggies on the pan on a Sunday, and then uses them all during the week. So that's a great idea. So now I'm going to just move my mats over here. I love these mats because I can do this. I'm going to take my chef's tongs and just kind of put this, and I'm going to kind of almost stir fry them, but not, you know. And it's okay if they're, I'm not going to, you know, make sure that they're rare or whatever. I mean, we like our meat rare in this house, but you know, I'm not going to be too concerned about that. Let's move some of these down. I need some room for the meat. And then if there's leftovers, you know, if we don't eat all of this, then what we can do with it is put it on a pizza, maybe a beef fajita pizza or something like that, which I really like. So I'm going to put more salt on the meat, just like this, and then more chili lime, because more is better. Okay, so this, and what I'm going to serve this with, hi everybody, I'm back. So what I'm going to serve this with is just some, you know, I have the warm tortillas, I've got my grater to grate some cheddar cheese, I've got some sour cream, and I've got some salsa. That's what I'm going to be cooking with this. Easy peasy. This is going to be done in a matter of, you know, 15 minutes start to finish. That's why I love this pan. That's why I love this type of recipe, because easy cooking is where it's at. Okay? So, Cindy, the pan that I'm using is the double burner grill pan. It is one of my favorite. Most of my customers who buy this never take it off their stovetop, because you're using it all the time for chicken and for seafood and for pizza and for veggies and for steaks and hamburgers, all of that stuff. And paninis, I love it. Ooh, this leftovers would make great fajita paninis or something like that. So that would be really good too, okay? So that's what we're cooking tonight. We're having beef fajitas. Oh, and if you don't like beef, you can always do fish. You can always do chicken, turkey, whatever, okay? Cindy, it is okay for an electric stove. I have also done them on just the electric flat ones. And a lot of times when I've done cooking shows, people are like, oh yeah, bring it and use it, because I want to, you know, see it being used on my stovetop. But I have to tell you, I've never had a stovetop that it hasn't worked on. So the only ones that it doesn't work on, okay, is induction. And you know if you have induction. But we have other things that work on induction, like our cast iron and our stainless nonstick, okay? So that's, like I said, this is what we're cooking tonight, steak fajitas. I want to hear what you're cooking, you know. Maybe I'll do margaritas, I don't know. Probably not. But I could do that with it. But let me know what you're cooking tonight. I'd love to hear it. And, you know, stay safe, everybody, and share. Sharing is caring. Like this, and then also if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's always good. Linda Medeiros, okay? And thanks, everybody. And again, stay safe and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.